Hey everybody, happy Halloween. Just dropping by to say hi, show you what I'm up to, making messes like I always do. Got Corvettes on top of Corvettes. Got some new tools around the shop. Sandblast cabinet, pretty awesome. Yeah, got this red one in a week ago or so. I got stuff flying at me. This one's, we're gonna have some fun with this one. We're gonna have some fun. Fuel injection going on this guy. I got to replace these side pipes. If you can see, they're cracked there. That header's no good. All new suspension, Wilwood brakes all the way around. Got a little extra back there. So yeah, this one's, we're gonna have some fun with this one. Just working up a parts list and stuff like that. I haven't even started with this one yet. This one's basically getting a full restoration. Everything but taking the body off. So I've been working on this guy here. Got a new low profile jack. After lifting up Corvettes, I realized that my jack's too tall. Got this guy all torn apart. New calipers on the front. All new brake lines run. Brake hoses working on. Got to put the shocks in. Gonna grease the front end up and everything. Still waiting on parts. Everything in the world is back ordered, so I haven't got the rear end back together yet. What else have I got that's new? No, I got this new mini ductor. I've used them before. This one's pretty awesome though. This is the Venom HP. If you haven't used it, super cool. Flameless heat. Got the fuel sending unit in the tank for this guy here. Yeah, so like I said, just wanted to say hi, show you what I'm up to. Hope everybody has a fun and safe Halloween. What's everybody dressing up as? I think I'm going to be a sexy nurse this year. That's pretty classic, you know, shave my legs and stuff. Anyway, don't drink and drive. Yeah, don't be stupid. Don't get arrested. Have fun. And yeah, we'll see you guys.